guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can stop seeing posts and even reels that you're not interested in on Instagram. So to do that, for instance, you come across this post and you're not interested in it. This is just an example, and this is also a suggested post. You're just going to click these three dots and click not interested, and then this will show up too. This post has been hidden. We'll show fewer posts like this from now on. And they ask you why you're not interested in this post, and they give you like 4 options, probably just like click on this topic doesn't interest me. But on reels, you're just going to a reel, and for instance you don't like this, you're just going to click again on these 3 dots while you're not interested in it. Click on it and press not interested. You can even undo it, but it only shows up for a few seconds. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!